Alright, what's up YouTube? Today we're gonna be changing these battery terminals. These don't lock up no more. I used to use a screwdriver and tighten it, but that's just messing up my. So I'm gonna show you how it's done. All I do, hold it right here, and then with the I'm using a size 12. You unscrew it. But I already did it. So this is what you need right here. You see? This is not going to be working no more. Then you got to do it right here too. Take it out. And then you go get the battery. Then just make sure this is your positive, negative. So all you gotta do is hook up this right here. Wait, I don't know if you guys are getting a good angle. So if you guys can't hook it like me, you're gonna have to bend this straight or try to figure out a way how. But I'm gonna do it off camera, but you're gonna have to get this straight, and then we're gonna check this one right here. So I just flipped this around, but you just make sure you got the gasket. I'm gonna hit it with the rubber mallet right now so it could go in, and then tighten these right here, and that should be on. It's pretty easy install. Okay, ahí está.
Es peligroso, ¿no?
¿Qué?
Puede ser corto aquí.
¿Por qué? Es plástico. Mira, es que se cerró. Se cierra más. That's it.